I've been working on this blanket for a couple of days, but I still have a lot of yarn left. When Katech sent me this kit, I couldn't wait to show it to you. We went away on a road trip, so I just sat in the car and I crocheted while we were driving, and I think this is turning out absolutely beautiful. It has a similar texture to mandala yarn because it's so squishy, but it does have just a very slight halo on it. This pattern is super easy to work up, and I can't wait to see how big it gets with all the rest of this yarn. Now you get 18 skeins of yarn with this project, and I think that's a great value, and this is nowhere near as big as it's going to be. So this is the Star Blanket Kit. Look at all of this yarn that you get. There is so much yarn here. And then they also give you this nice little booklet that gives you the pattern. Now let me go ahead and open it up and show you all the other goodies that you get. So you get this nice booklet, and it gives you all the directions for the different stitches that you need to learn, which is basic stitches, like half double, single crochet, double crochet, magic ring. But then it gives you all the instructions for the blankets as well in the back. This is a nice little handy booklet just to keep in case you needed to refer back on how to do the stitches. So not only do you get this huge bag of yarn, but you also get a little package of stitch markers, and then they give you 2 crochet hooks, and this is a 4mm and a 3.5mm crochet hook with the rubber handle. These are really nice and comfortable. They've got the little flat spot for your thumb. You get a pair of little scissors. They also include this nice little measuring tape, and then you get a whole package of tapestry needles to weave in your ends. You can see it's like a medium weight yarn. This is acrylic. These are all the 3 colors that you get for your blanket. And it all comes in this nice little Ziploc bag, so you already have a bag to contain your project. I really love the colors in this kit. I love the directions, and I think it's great how they include all the other accessories that you need. What I really liked about doing this project is that the pattern is super easy to read. This is also a really good pattern for beginners. I can't wait to finish it up and snuggle underneath it. I really love this blanket kit, and I think you will too.